I'm here in the Victrola suite at CES 2024,
Right.
and I'm with David Ireland, and we're going to talk about what's new.
So we have added the new Stream Sapphire. This is our kind of really targeting the custom install market, the higher end market. What we've done with this one is we've actually opened up the connectivity. So that's a really big deal for Rune integration and UPnP. So this will now work with like the DVLAs and the other ecosystems. So it also works with Sonos. The other cool thing is we've added audiophile components. So we have a blue cartridge. We've got adjustable feet, which was one of the big requests. So this will be on the bottom. Now you can adjust it. We're gonna have a new brushless motor in here. And then you have a walnut veneer that's actual real walnut underneath the MDF plane. So it's a big upgrade for our Stream series, and this is really kind of targeting the consumer that wanted more options for connectivity. And this is $14.99. So kind of the new premium flagship. So certain customer, but we're really excited about it. Next over is the automatic category. We've kind of been working on this for the last 3 years to really get it right. This comes in at $199. So instead of a mechanical movement, this is electronic. So it has a repeat feature. So it's, no other turntable on the market has this. So when you hit to this button here, when the record is done playing, it'll lift up and come back to the start of the record. So you just simply, it also works with a 7 and a 12-inch record, so you can adjust the size here. Of course, your standard 33 and 45. So hit the play button, and it's got the nice Audio Technica cartridge. And it works with Bluetooth and wired. So it's really our answer to that super popular category. And there you go. And I'll show you how the repeat works. Cool. So instead of manually touching it, you would actually set it up. We can move it to the end of the record. So this is a great feature when you're really just kind of sitting at home listening to a record. You don't really want to get up and change it. You want to listen to it a couple different times. This is a really nice little function. Goes to the end, takes you right back to the start. So we're the only people on the market that have this feature. And there you go.
Definitely. All right.
You don't need to touch anything. The robot does everything. And then the Eastwood was our kind of one of our first new products of the new product team. And so if you probably are familiar with it, you've seen it. This is now a complete line. So it's we kind of really were looking to kind of build this out to really create a lot of different options for our customers. So this is the Eastwood 2. So it's built on the same DNA as our same original successful Eastwood, but this has a control much like the Revolution Go. So it's the UI UX is different than the original Eastwood, so you can kind of cycle through. This will allow you to pair out to Bluetooth speakers. And then you can hit it one more time, and it allows you to connect your phone or mobile device or whatever Bluetooth in, and it just becomes a Bluetooth speaker. So it's great for dorm rooms, smaller spaces, and it kind of acts as a universal solution. Nice little dust cover, Audio Technica cartridge. So kind of all the great DNA of the original with a kind of upgrade on design with treatments in different fabrics. And then we really kind of figured that there was another customer out there that wanted a bigger solution, so we introduced the LP. So it's got all the same functions as the Eastwood 2. It just has a bigger sound stage, bigger speakers, and a full-size turntable, or a full-size platter, excuse me. So it's kind of our next step up, and that's $199. And I really loving this one. So this kind of replaced our V1. I don't know if you remember that one. And there's nothing quite like this in the category for the price point. So we're really, really excited about this one.